bende gidwaro. Jaod bura ma Homa Bay Town Peter Kalumo kod jarit mare no monji kendo hinya kod jomaundu skund primar ma Goro Sare e kinde yiero madundo ma bende dhi nyime ka chung'od bura ma Kasipul. Lipot bende yango ni bunde mar jarit mare ne okwal e kinde monjo ma kamano. Kaluma ma bende en kanyo chief agent mar duond bura mar ODM e yiero madundo no ne omonjo kod kweth mar rowere ma bende no manore kod gige lwenya. Jaod bura no wacho ni no chopi kar luto ombulu no motelo ne jachung' ma bende laro kom mar kar chung'od bura no ma Kasipul kod otiko mar ODM mano kanyo Boyd Were Ong'ondo kapok ne omonje.
Yes, so I want to encourage the people of Kasipul, please come out and vote. Our opponents know they have lost. What they want to do is to suppress people and stop them from coming out to vote. Aroko came in personally at Goro Sare Primary, and by there I went to receive him. You media were here. I thought he was Boyd Were because I'm the chief agent here for our party, the ODM party, and you can see I'm accredited by IEBC. So I was to leave, but Honorable Boyd Were told me that he's coming here in 5 minutes. In those 5 minutes, I saw vehicles coming in, and by there I thought those were Honorable Boyd Were's vehicle. The bad thing they have done is that on his instructions, they have taken the gun for my security. The other thing I want to say is that largely, and you've been here, the people of Kasipul are very peaceful people. And I'd alerted the CS to this. The CS spoke about it. We've even given their names. These are robbers and very dangerous people from Kibra, Madare, Ruaraka, Kayole. There are some from Kisumu. There are some from Migori. So what has shocked me is that I've been attacked as police are watching. In fact, I was standing with the police officers. So I wanted to request that if there are instructions that the police connive and be complicit in chaos for whatever reason, we want to request the IG and the minister that the police need to be much more firm.